I drove to the beach today. I went alone. Most people who drive to the beach alone are looking for something. Maybe they have a question and they gradually find their answer in the clouds. And they keep that answer close forever. And it lives on as the peace in their hearts. The world, it's just a painting. And you can only really see the full thing when you are a part of it. So I walk with the clouds around far away to illuminate them for someone else. But all I could find was a living, breathing moment. I single-handedly owned this moment, and I learned to keep it as the peace in my heart. I owned a bright evening on the beach, filled with ideas, dreams, and questions.